What happens with objects at rest? They stay at rest. But what about objects in motion? They keep moving. Action, reaction. In a world where everything is in motion, with your data at rest, your customer experiences, your ambitions, your business itself will stay at rest. Set that data in motion, and every impulse, every action triggers instant reaction across every experience, every app, every system across your entire business. Tap into a continuous stream of data, an ever-flowing nervous system that unlocks those real-time insights that are only insightful because they're real-time. The world doesn't wait. The world moves, and your data needs to move too.
Hello, and welcome to Power Real-Time Data Streams from Anywhere to Azure Cosmos DB with Confluent. I'm Jacob Bogie, and I'm a Cloud Platform Solution Architect here at Confluent. I'm thankful that you chose to spend some time with me to learn more about how you can enable real-time data streaming pipelines using Confluent Cloud and Azure Cosmos DB. There is unprecedented growth in the volumes of data being generated by businesses today. It is now essential for enterprises to be able to contextualize and harness the value of their data, and along with that, gain real-time insights into how their business is performing. This enables data teams to quickly make operational decisions in response to market conditions from anywhere, at any time. And modern data architectures are requiring real-time data support. This is creating a need for a new data strategy that includes data streaming platforms and transactional data stores working in unison. Traditional self-managed databases are difficult to manage at scale. You need to consider all of the costs of running, operating, and managing the life cycle of a large-scale database offering. Integrating with other systems is complex. Creating and maintaining these integrated services becomes a new learning experience anytime you add a new pipeline of data into this pattern. By migrating to a cloud-hosted system, you can increase agility through native integrations with modern features that you don't have to maintain. So here are 5 situations to look out for and plan to address as you journey to delivering a democratized data as a product offering. Number 1 is batch ETL and ELT. Batch-based pipelines use batch ingestion, batch processing, and batch delivery, resulting in low fidelity, inconsistent, and stale data. Number 2, centralized data teams. Bottlenecks from a centralized, domain-agnostic data team hinders self-service data access and can slow the pace of innovation. Number 3, immature governance and observability. Patchworks of point-to-point pipelines have high overhead and lack observability, data lineage, schema, and data error management. Number 4, infrastructure-heavy data processing. Traditional pipelines require intensive, unpredictable computing and storage amid high data volumes and an increasing variety of workloads. And number 5, the monolithic design. Rigid black box pipelines are difficult to change or port across environments, so engineers often choose to just add one more for each new workload, thereby increasing pipeline sprawl and technical debt. So why Confluent and Azure? Well, our partnership enables modern data platforms to connect disparate data sources and power the use of cloud-native data services. Confluent and Microsoft announced a strategic partnership in January of 2021, and Confluent Cloud is a Microsoft preferred solution that has been validated to generate business impact, technology transformation, and cross-organizational improvements for its customers. Confluent is much more than Kafka. Confluent is a cloud-native and complete platform for data in motion and event streaming. Confluent is available everywhere. It's on the cloud of your choice, especially Microsoft Azure. It is offered as a fully managed, zero operations service, and you can also run Confluent in your own data center. Confluent also includes KSQL DB for stream processing and streaming analytics, a full suite of managed connectors to other cloud services and third-party systems like databases, enterprise security and data governance, infinite storage for your data streams, and much, much more. Confluent breaks down data silos to help teams quickly access and transform datasets for real-time use cases and decision-making no matter where the data lives. We can enhance your data in real time, transforming data in flight using KSQL DB, and we break down silos using our connectors to pull in data from any data sources you have. All of this on a fully managed set of services that can help you focus on building things instead of running them and extending your data's reach to new business scenarios. With Confluent, you can integrate and stream data from on-premise data sources or the cloud services of your choice. In this case, we are using Microsoft Azure Cosmos DB. It's going to act as our modern multi-model data store in the cloud. So let's take a closer look at why we emphasize what Confluent can do for you when using it as a solution to connect, process, and govern data. Connecting existing data sources to new data sources is easy with Confluent. With over 120 pre-built connectors, many of them fully managed in Confluent Cloud, you can save time and effort by not having to create your own data integrations. Our sync and source connectors connect the places where data lives and where data needs to go, and they do this all while offering single message transforms, so you can further customize your data during ingress or egress of your cluster. In Confluent Cloud, you can process data quickly and easily with KSQL DB. KSQL DB supports aggregations, joins, windowed-based queries, order handling, and even exactly once semantics. All of this occurs in computational and storage resources that are separate from your Confluent clusters. KSQL DB is also highly available and fault-tolerant. Confluent's Stream Governance Suite is the only fully managed governance suite for Apache Kafka and data in motion. Stream governance establishes trust in the data streams, moving throughout your cloud environments, and delivers an easy, self-service experience for more teams to discover, understand, and put streaming data pipelines to work. The three main components in the stream governance offering are stream quality, where you can deliver trusted, high-quality data streams to the business and maintain data integrity as your services evolve. Stream catalog, where you can increase collaboration and productivity with self-service data discovery that allows teams to classify, organize, and find the data streams that they need. And finally, stream lineage, where you can understand complex data relationships and uncover more insights with interactive end-to-end maps of the data streams in your environments. You can see in this example architecture that we have connected on-prem data sources using open source Kafka and our supported on-premise offering Confluent Platform. We can link these clusters with Confluent Cloud and enable a data mesh, scratch that, a streaming data mesh between on-premise existing data silos, which have been broken down with Confluent Platform and Confluent Cloud being connected, and create a new cloud data mesh pattern. Once leveraging the power of Confluent Cloud, we open up the opportunity to stream data to Azure Cosmos DB and create a geo-replicated, multi-model data architecture that enables our use of other Azure services to meet the needs of our business. We have also integrated Azure Functions to provide us with true scale-to-zero serverless application functionality, which extends our data mesh to being an active data mesh. As our time here today comes to an end, remember that the technology components are just one piece of a recipe for success. This recipe also includes the organization of the teams that are delivering your new self-service offering, and of course the governance model of the datasets that you've created with this new data mesh. So let's wrap up with a few assets for you to take away and help you and your teams begin your journey. You can scan the QR codes on the screen to get access to a demo of our technology in action, an ebook detailing the path to streaming data pipelines, a solution brief that focuses on Confluent and Azure Cosmos DB, and you can visit our cloud database solution webpage. Finally, you can get started for free using Confluent Cloud on Azure by visiting the Azure Marketplace and starting your free environment today. So thank you for your interest in Confluent, and I hope this has been helpful to you.
What happens with objects at rest? They stay at rest. But what about objects in motion? They keep moving. Action, reaction. In a world where everything is in motion, with your data at rest, your customer experiences, your ambitions, your business itself will stay at rest. Set that data in motion, and every impulse, every action triggers instant reaction across every experience, every app, every system across your entire business. Tap into a continuous stream of data, an ever-flowing nervous system that unlocks those real-time insights that are only insightful because they're real-time. The world doesn't wait. The world moves, and your data needs to move too.